Okay, join your hands better. Close your eyes. Saira.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay.
Saira, ma'am.
Saira.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay.
Saira, ma'am.
We're doing some worksheets related to what we have done earlier. Okay. So before we proceed further, let me show you a small video on conjunctions. We have already seen that, but for revision purpose. Okay. I'm showing you that video. Please pay attention. Okay, beta. Do pay attention. Tomorrow we'll be doing worksheet on the basis of conjunctions. Okay. So keep your copies and pencils
Okay,
with
ma'am.
you. Okay. Keep your pencil and copy with you so that you can, if you wish, you can write something. Okay, related to that. Tomorrow we'll be doing worksheet on the basis of that. Today we'll be doing revision of some other activities. Okay. I'm muting myself because if I will not do so, it will produce echo. Okay.
Ma'am, शेयर नहीं कर दो.
Gia drew a horse. Aisha drew a carriage. What can Gia and Aisha use to join these pictures? They can use glue. They have glued the two pictures together. Good work. Now can we join these two sentences to make one sentence? Yes, we can. These sentences can be joined to make one sentence using the word and. So, just like glue helps to stick pictures together, some words help to glue or join sentences. These joining words are called conjunctions. Let's learn more about conjunctions. Click each conjunction to learn more about it. Gia has a kite. Jiggy has a balloon. We can join these two sentences. Let's use the word and to join the sentences. Gia has a kite and Jiggy has a balloon. Now look at these two sentences. Mother planted some trees. Pasha watered them. Let's join these sentences using and. Mother planted some trees and Pasha watered them. Here are two more sentences. Jiggy went to the shop. He bought color pencils. Let's use the joining word and to join these two sentences and make one sentence. Jiggy went to the shop and he bought color pencils. Mother bought apples and grapes. We cannot say mother bought apples, grapes. That's incorrect. So we use the conjunction and to join the words apples and grapes. So mother bought apples and grapes. Aisha and Pasha went to the park. It's not correct to say Aisha Pasha went to the park. We use and to join the two words Aisha and Pasha in this sentence. Aisha and Pasha went to the park. Here are some more sentences which have been joined by the conjunction and. Jia plays on the swing and Pasha plays on the slide. The elephant ate a watermelon and the monkey ate a banana. The boy likes oranges, pears and grapes. Look at these two sentences. Aisha wanted to play tennis. Pasha wanted to skate. Notice that these two sentences bring out different ideas. The ideas are opposite or contrast with each other. Let us try to join them using but. Aisha wanted to play tennis, but Pasha wanted to skate. Here's another pair of sentences. Pasha dropped the plate. It did not break. These sentences too have contrasting meanings. We join them by using but. Pasha dropped the plate, but it did not break. Here are more sentences which have been joined using the conjunction but. Jia wanted to use her red pencil, but she could not find it anywhere. I washed the car, but it still looks dirty. He wanted to go for a walk, but it was raining. Pasha loves his crayons. He gives them to Jiggy. Let's join these two sentences using the word though. The new sentence now reads, though Pasha loves his crayons, he gives them to Jiggy. Though is a conjunction that helps us to join two sentences which have opposite or contrasting ideas. Pasha loves his crayons dearly, but he still gives them away to Jiggy. These are two contrasting actions. Now look at these sentences. Pasha had sharpened his blue pencil just an hour ago. It was blunt again. These sentences do describe for two opposite ideas. Let's join them by using the conjunction though. The new sentence now reads, Pasha had sharpened his blue pencil just an hour ago. It was blunt again. Did you notice that here the conjunction is placed at the beginning of the sentence? Also notice that a comma is placed where the two sentences come together. Here are some more examples of sentences joined together by the conjunction though. Though Pasha was unwell, he played the game. Though it was very hot, they went trekking. Though Jia likes apples, she did not buy any from the market. Pasha erased the drawing. He had made a mistake. The first sentence, Pasha erased the drawing, tells us what Pasha did. The second sentence, he had made a mistake, gives us the reason why Pasha erased the drawing. We can combine them to make one sentence using the conjunction because. Pasha erased the drawing because he had made a mistake. Now let's take a look at another example. Jiggy cannot play cricket. He has hurt his foot. Let's join these sentences using because. Jiggy cannot play cricket because he has hurt his foot. Why cannot Jiggy play cricket? Because he has hurt his foot. So the conjunction because tells us the reason and answers the question why. Here are some more sentences with the conjunction because. Aisha did not go to school because she was unwell. He carried an umbrella because it was raining. She wore a jacket because she was feeling cold. We know that conjunctions help to join words or sentences. Here are two sentences. Pasha will have to swim fast. He will lose the race. Now, let's join these two sentences with the conjunction or. Pasha will have to swim fast or he will lose the race. Or is a conjunction that indicates that only one of the two options is possible. Pasha swimming fast or Pasha losing the race. Let's use another conjunction to join these sentences. Jiggy decorated the house. Mother baked a cake for the party. Let's use the conjunction while. Jiggy decorated the house while Mother baked a cake for the party. While is a conjunction that means as long as or during the time that. This sentence tells us that during the time Mother baked a cake, Jiggy decorated the house. Now look at these sentences. You want to go for a drive. You must finish your work. Let's join these sentences using the conjunction if. If you want to go for a drive, you must finish your work. If is used to show that one thing will happen depending on another thing happening. Here are some examples of conjunctions which help join different sentences or words together. Unless you hurry, you will get late for school. Jiggy was exhausted, so he did not go to Pasha's party. Jia's father picked her up since it was dark already. Would you like juice or milkshake? Listen to the story and read along with it. At the end of the story, you will try and find the conjunctions used in the story. Pasha is making paper planes. Aisha comes to his house.
This sheet of paper is thin, but it is strong. It will make my plane fly high.
No, Pasha. Take that used drawing sheet or use an old newspaper.
I don't mind using a newspaper, but a fresh sheet will make my plane look better. What is wrong with using a fresh sheet?
You shouldn't waste paper because it is made from the wood of trees. A tree has to be cut down to make paper. Though some people are careful about using paper now, many people still use paper carelessly.
We all need to use paper.
Paper is important, but we need to use it carefully. Trees are cut every day to make paper. Trees are important. Trees give us food, shelter, and many other things. Unless we save the trees now, there will be no trees left on earth. If we reuse paper, we can save some trees from getting cut. Do not throw away old newspapers, but use them for other things.
What can we do with old newspapers?
We can make bags and pack things. Also, gift wrapping paper can be reused and writing pads can be made from unused pages of notebooks.
I will use paper carefully and wisely. Paper is precious.
Let's identify the conjunction in some of the sentences used in the story. Choose a level to begin.
Okay, now have you understood what are conjunctions? We have already done that.
Yes, ma'am.
It's just
The
we
verb
have
which helps to join two sentences is called conjunctions.
Conjunctions are used to join two words or two sentences. Okay? एक जैसे भी हो सकते हैं और opposite meaning को भी join करने के लिए use होते हैं.
जैसे
Okay,
मैम
now-
fruit and milk. Fruit and milk. So and is
Yes.
the conjunction.
Yes, okay. Now let us do some worksheets related to R
Yes,
means revision mark, okay. Okay, so keep your copy and pencil with you. I am showing you my PPT for the worksheet, okay. Just note it down fast and try to solve it because we have done it earlier. I'm not going to tell you anything about it, okay. So you have to do it on your own, beta. Try it, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see my screen, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, we have done this similar sounding words. Okay. So this is your worksheet. Fill in the blanks, choosing correct word. There are various sentences. You have to choose the word from the brackets. Okay. And put them in the proper place. Got it? Now I'm giving you 5 minutes. Just try to finish it up.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of FARE fair?
F-A-I-R.
No, ma'am. FARE.
This is kiraya.
Kiraya.
For buying tickets, yes. For buying ticket, when you pay money, no, that is called fare.
What meaning of FAIR?
It's mela. मेला मेला पता है ना बेटा for entertainment where we find some less games and what to say what other things you find in mela
Like
The-
shop.
yeah okay
Ma'am, food.
yes beta Shall I move further?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, no one.
Answers.
Okay, okay, just wait. Wait, wait. I'm waiting for you. Okay, just note down, beta. First, you note down the sentences with the options. Okay, and afterwards you can complete that.
Ma'am, done with answers.
Okay, very good, beta. Okay, last 2 minutes. Hurry up, beta. Hurry up. Come on, do it fast. Try to note it down fast, beta. Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Come on. Correct the
मैम बस
following
मेरा लास्ट बचा था
sentences.
पीछे कर दीजिए.
ओके बेटा, बाद में कर लेंगे. आप उसको छोड़ दो. उसको एक लाइन को छोड़ दो बेटा. ओके. We'll come back. Use capital letters and punctuation marks wherever necessary in the sentences. Okay. So these are the sentences. You have to correct it. Write it in correct manner.
Ma'am, in this we have to write this first, then answer.
Which one, beta? First you note down the sentence, then afterwards you have to correct it and write it, rewrite it.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, दोबारा से इस सेंटेंस को लिखना बेटा. वाक्य को दोबारा लिखना है, उसमें करेक्शन करना है. नॉट इन द सेम सेंटेंस. ओके. Done?
Ma'am, I have questions. No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Done?
Ma'am,
Okay.
Ma'am, we don't love Sundays.
So write down I hate.
ma'am, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, what doubt?
मैम अगर ये हमारे एनुअल एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आए तो फिर हमें अभी जैसे हमने कॉपी में लिखा है क्वेश्चन फिर आंसर ऐसे लिखना उसमें भी.
आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, डायरेक्ट आंसर्स भी लिख सकते हो, क्योंकि तब तो क्वेश्चन पेपर मेरे पास होगा ना बेटा. ये तो स्लाइड है ना.
यस मैम.
स्लाइड है तो आप याद कैसे करोगे, आप प्रैक्टिस कैसे करोगे? दैट इज व्हाई यू नीड टू नोट डाउन द क्वेश्चन टू. ओके. लेकिन एग्जाम में जब आएगा ऐसा कुछ तो आपको करेक्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर लिखना होगा. जैसे क्वेश्चन पेपर में क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ही आंसर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 हो जाएगा. आंसर क्वेश्चन आंसर 1. ओके. उसका पार्ट है ए तो आपको आंसर ए ऐसे लिखना पड़ेगा.
मैम डन.
ओके. ओके फाइन.
नो मैम जाइए.
मैम डन.
ये सिर्फ लास्ट वाला बचा है.
अभी रुक जाएगा, मेरा भी लास्ट वाला बचा।
मैम डन विद आंसर्स.
Manasvi, Hitansh, come on. Very good, beta. Those who have done with the answers, they are quite fast. Okay, बहुत अच्छा है. स्पीड बनी रहनी चाहिए, but writing should be neat and clean, बेटा, legible. प्यारी सी राइटिंग हो, ऐसा नहीं हो कि रफ वर्क हो. Okay, so take care of that also.
मैम राइट विद आंसर्स.
Okay, this one. Note down the words: eat, say, plant, ask, water, bake, live, cut.
मैम राइट विद आंसर.
Okay.
डन मैम.
Very good.
नो मैम, एक मिनट पीछे कर दीजिए, आखिरी बचा है।
नो मैम.
दिख रहा है क्या ये? यहाँ दिख रहा है? Can you?
यस मैम।
नो मैम.
मैम यस मैम.
जूम करके देख लो, दिख रहा है. यस मैम.
मैम एक मिनट पीछे कर दीजिए।
Okay, okay.
नो मैम दिख रहा है.
दिख रहा है?
मैम डन.
Okay, okay, very good. Now do these questions. Yes.
मैम सबसे पहले वाला दिखा दीजिए, सबसे पहले वाला.
Just wait, beta. Just wait. Okay. Come on, note down these questions, beta.
मैम डन।
Hmm. Come on, write down these 3 questions, okay? You can answer these questions later on also. But give a thought, beta, okay? और कितने बड़े बड़े आंसर्स लिखने हैं आपको पता होना चाहिए. At least 5-6 sentences. At least 5-6 sentences, beta. You can write more than that also, but at least कम से कम.
Ma'am, right answer.
Huh? Wrote answers? All the answers?
Ma'am, sorry, question.
Okay, very good. So this is the first slide. Who wanted to see first slide? Come on, Manasvi.
Yes, ma'am. Last.
मैम एक मिनट और पीछे कर दीजिए.
Ma'am, can you show the last slide? I take the screenshot and then I can write.
ये स्लाइड किसका बाकी था? देख लो फटाफट.
Ma'am, the last वाला slide.
Just see first of all. Okay, ये किसी का भी बाकी नहीं है?
मैम है समर्थ का. रुक जाइए मैम, रुक जाइए.
हाँ, समर्थ, हरी अब बेटा.
बस मैम, बस लास्ट लिखना था, हो गया मैम.
समर्थ,
मैम 1 minute.
ओके.
मैम थर्ड वाला स्लाइड दिखा दीजिए. मैम डन.
This one, all have done. All of you have done.
यस मैम. मैम रुक जाइए. मैम रुक जाइए. मैम बस अब 1 मिनट रुक जाइए, बस हो ही गया.
मैं तो रुकी हुई हूँ.
मैम वो 10 क्वेश्चन दिखा दो.
हाँ,
मैम रुक जाइए. वो 10 क्वेश्चन दिखा दो.
कौन सी वाली?
मैम लास्ट वाली.
ओके.
मैम रुक जाइए.
मैं तो रुकी हूँ बेटा. Do it fast. Write down fast.
मैम हो गया, आप चेंज कर दीजिए.
This one.
वो लास्ट. यस मैम. यस मैम. मैम डन विथ आंसर.
Okay, very good. Who has done with the answers?
मैम यशस्वी.
Okay. यशस्वी, what is the past tense of cut? आपने लिखा है ना, बताओ जल्दी. Past tense of cut.
मैम उसका नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम.
अच्छा, आंसर देने के लिए नेटवर्क इश्यू हो रहा है ना?
मैम डन.
ओके. यशस्वी की तो पिक्चर ही फ्रीज हो गई है. यशस्वी,
मैम मेरा वो लास्ट वाला रह गया था क्वेश्चन.
कौन सा लास्ट वाला रह गया था? बोलो.
लास्ट स्लाइड का.
वी मस्ट हेल्प. सारे क्वेश्चंस रह गए संकेत? ऑल द क्वेश्चंस?
नो मैम, बस मैम लास्ट वाला रह गया, नंबर 3.
ओके, लास्ट वाला है वी मस्ट हेल्प एल्डर्स. वी मस्ट हेल्प आवर एल्डर्स. व्हाई एंड हाउ? वी मस्ट हेल्प आवर एल्डर्स. Why and how?
मैं इस तरह के लिख रही हूँ. पहले क्वेश्चन लिख लिया, फिर आंसर्स लिख रही हूँ.
हाँ, no problem, beta. As you wish.
ओके
If you
मैम.
wish to write in that manner, I don't mind. Okay? Sanket, done, beta? Sanket,
Why should we treat आगे मैम क्या था?
why should we treat animals with love?
Ma'am, done.
Okay, very good. Okay, so please try to complete these questions. Okay, आप जितना लिखोगे उतना प्रैक्टिस होगा. It will help you to write long answer questions. आपको लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चंस में हेल्प करेंगे. ठीक है, जो डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस नहीं होते ऐसे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स आप अगर लिखोगे तो उस क्वेश्चन के आंसर को लिखने में आपको हेल्प होगा. यू कैन थिंक इन बेटर वे. ओके ओके बेटा. सो डोंट लीव लाइक दैट ओनली. उसको छोड़ना नहीं है. डोंट लीव द क्वेश्चंस बट यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट इट. ट्राई टू राइट द आंसर्स. ओके यशस्वी. What is the past tense of cut? You have done with the answers, no? You told me कि मैम आंसर्स के साथ कर लिया. Come on. What will be the answer? Yes, Akshita. What will be the past tense of cut?
Ma'am, Riddhima.
Ma'am, cut. It will be cut.
Okay, Riddhima. What will be the past tense of it?
Ma'am, cut all.
Okay. Yes, Riddhima. What's
Ma'am,
that?
cut.
Cut. Okay. Past tense of cut is cut only. C-U-T, cut.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't add anything. Okay. It is cut only. C-U-T, cut. Okay. वो past tense में भी cutted नहीं होगा. जैसे आप send में sended लिख देते हो ना, send में sent होता है. S-E-N-T, sent, not sended. Okay. So be very careful. बीच बीच में जो कुछ ऐसे प्रैक्टिस करते हैं उसको याद भी करना है हमको बेटा. ओके. बाय, बॉट, थिंक, थॉट, ब्रिंग, ब्रॉट, ईट, एट, जिससे कि आप जब भी अपने इंग्लिश में लिखते हो ना तो उसमें आप इन सब चीजों को यूज कर सकते हो. जब भी आप पास्ट टेंस में लिखते हो तो अगर आपको पास्ट टेंस पता होगा then you will easily able to frame your sentences. Okay. चलिए, do this work, practice it. Okay. कोशिश करूंगी अगर कल लेटर राइटिंग में आपको सिखा पाई तो लेटर राइटिंग सिखा दूंगी, और नहीं तो कंजक्शन से रिलेटेड हम लोग वर्कशीट करेंगे. ठीक. ओके, लेट्स डू शांति पाठ बेटा. अक्षिता, वेट फॉर अ लिटिल. ओके, after the class. Shanti.
Ma'am, what after the class?
After the class for 2 minutes. Okay, just wait. Shanti Pat beta, come on.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day to you, ma'am.